All right, so this video is a support video on constant proportionality from equations. So basically, all you have to remember is that every proportional equation is in the form y equals kx. So the multiplier k is called the constant of proportionality. So when you're looking at an equation, you're just asking yourself, what is the input x be multiplied by? That's your constant of proportionality. So it's pretty easy once you know what you're looking for, okay? Remember, the ratio of y over x is k. So if you ever need to solve for k, you guys can see that that constant is just going to be equal to the ratio of y over x. So you'd want to get the k by itself. You divide both sides by x. And you can see that when you do that, k is equal to the ratio of y over x. So if you needed to find it and you're given an x and a y value, not the multiplier, then you can just do y over x, and that's your constant. That's your multiplier. If you're given in the equation, then all you got to do is identify what's multiplying the input by. Where x is your input variable, or your independent variable, and y is your dependent variable, your output variable. So the k is just what you multiply the input by to get the output. That's all it is. So in this case, it says which equation has a constant proportionality equal to 1. All right, so basically you're asking which one has a multiplier that's the same as 1. Was 10/11 1? No. Is 7/8 1? No. Is 3/15 1? No. The only one that is 1 is the one that has nothing there, because that's 1x, right? So when you have y equals x, that's exactly the same as y equals 1x. So that is the correct answer, and we can just check that answer. Let me move my little portrait somewhere else, over here. Okay, let's do the next one. It says, what is the constant proportionality in the equation y equals 5/4 of x? Basically, what do you multiply with x by? 5/4. That's your constant proportionality. So it's just going to be 5/4, 5/4. Or that's the same as 1 1/4, or 1.25, right? Okay, let's move that up a little bit. All right, let's do the next one. It says, which equation has a constant of proportionality equal to 2? So that means the multiplier, right, whatever you're multiplying x by, has to be 2. Is 10 over 5 the same as 2? Yes, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that works. Is 2 over 2 the same as 2? No, 2 over 2 is 1. Is 2 over 4 the same as 2? No, 2 over 4 is 1/2. Is 22 over 2 the same as 2? No, 22 over 2 is 11. The one that has a constant proportionality of 2 is when the thing multiplying the input value x is 2, and that's the only one that's going to work as 10/5, because 10 divided by 5 is in fact 2. And then last but not least, it says, what is the constant proportionality in the equation y equals 7x? Well, what are you multiplying the input by to always get the output? You're multiplying it by 7. So your constant proportionality is 7. That's how easy it is. Hopefully that helps, and you guys are feeling more comfortable.